Tagpilang kilo sa loko-loko?
160 ate.
160. May kon ka mo, may libat. Amin ano?
At pila.
Usa lang.
Para sa
Ah. Napili lang na.
How much?
No, fresh pa. It's very fresh. Fresh pa kayo lang. Nakambak-ambak pa. Oh, meron.
Ito naman ito. Pwede kaya ako na.
If you have just to check if it's white.
Really?
Because sometimes
Don't,
it's...
if eating this one is bad or something wrong,
No, no,
we
no,
can
no.
we have not have time go to the hospital.
No. This is safe. I grew up eating this one.
So, ayan na. Luto na siya, guys. And of course, let's eat. Luko-luko. Or puffer fish. Kumakain din ba kayo nito, guys? Ito kasi, it's safe to say. Pag season niya, safe po siyang kainin. So, disclaimer sa mga hindi kumakain. And, syempre, titikman natin. Kain na na. Let's go, guys. Ayan. Yum, yum, yum. At syempre, kailangan patry din natin si Jowa. Ayan, eto dito guys. Oh. Masarap. Kasi Jowa din, hindi pwedeng hindi natin patry.
If you're loko-loko.
So now I can see the livers. Right?
Lami.
Lami.